I got this new product that everyone's been raving about, but I'm excited to see what this product does for me. So this will be my first time using it. I'm all about the white. You need your teeth to be white. So, yay! This says you won't get sensitivity on your teeth. I've gotten my teeth professionally whitened. They were a little sensitive for like a week after that. I've done them myself most of the time. I'm excited. So this is the toothpaste. I'm actually gonna go brush my teeth with this right now. And then I'm gonna use this mouthwash. Then I will slap one of these bad boys on my teeth, okay? So, this long one is for your top teeth, and this one is for your bottom teeth, okay? So let's get it on. Okay. Feels good, actually. Now time for the bottom. Okay, got them on. So now we just need to wait 30 minutes. See? This is how girls be after they get their teeth whitened. Look how white my shirt is, babe. Look how white. Y'all would be like, do you notice anything different, babe? I don't know, you have the head wrap on. Babe, I do this every time I want to lay my edges. Babe! Let me put you up on some game, babe. This. I'm gonna go take this off now because it's been 30 minutes. And I already can see I'm like, my teeth are just boom. Shining, shining. Go, you know what you need? You know what you need? I'm sorry, what? I will be right back to show you what my teeth look like without the strips on, because I'm already sold on this stuff, honestly. This is it. I have no sensitivity while it's on. I can talk, it's not falling off. The strips are staying on perfect. I'm just like, I love it. And it tastes good. It doesn't have a chemical smell in your mouth. Like some of them, like my throat would start to get bumpy and itchy and stuff. This, okay guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I can't stop. I'm hungry. I can't stop smiling. This was only after one time for 30 minutes. So you can tell like they lightened up a lot. And my problem areas are probably my lower teeth, because you can see my top ones are so bright. So probably after like 2 more times, my bottom ones will be matching my top. There's no sensitivity, and I am so shocked at how bright my teeth are right now. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you like it. Leave comments if you have any down below, and I'll see you next time.